What am I doing in this video, folks? Well, I picked up a few old tools, and I'm just reviewing tools this week. I'm still doing work, but it's hard to do work when you got sick kids. So, all right, this thing I picked up. It is it's another oil can because like I don't own enough freaking oil cans. This one was cool though. It was nice. I'm trying to pick up oil cans that have names on them and the tips aren't completely burnt. So this one is this one's a little oily inside. This one's Noira. I don't know if you guys recognize that. I never heard of it. There's a little dent here. It's not rusty. It's nice and oily. It's got your typical, like, I guess brass colored finish on it. Nothing fancy. It bends like a wee. See, anyway. That's just an oil can. I gotta pay like $4 for it. Seems like someone took care of it, just putting oil. These things, it's funny because I always wonder, like, who the hell uses these things anymore? And then when you start, like, using a milling machine and a lathe and other, like, tools, you realize these things, even though they're collectible, are, when full of oil, are highly indispensable. Like, you could have, like, 17 of them laying around. They all come in handy. So, yeah, you see a $3 oil can or $5, pick them up because most likely it still works. It's not rusty and it's full of oil. Thanks for watching this video.